spin. It's running on its own. And this bed is has already been replaced. It's actually in really good shape. Like really good shape. Look at that. Look at how good shape that is. I mean, like rust free. Really nice. That's where we're at. Took it for a spin. Not too far. Just went down around the street and back, and then backed it up and down that hill a few times. But yeah, so far so good. Listen to it. Did all right. Not terrible. Not terrible. I could clean that up some more. I'm sure. A little time and work. Listen. Alright, inside the cab. Good luck even hearing me. It's loud in here. I mean, come on. No insulation on the floors, on the doors, on the ceiling. That's how they come. Stripped. Nothing in them. No radios. No nothing. I love this blackout lighting system, and it does work. My fuel gauge is apparently not working. I don't know how much gas I have in there. So, that's okay. That all comes when I tear the tank out. Generators are working nice. Look at the old comm equipment. Still got it in here, the old comm stuff. Pretty cool. Let's go for a ride. You guys, we're gonna go for a long cruise. You ready? Here we go. Nice power steering. Works. Steers nice. Brakes are good. So, you know, now it's just fun stuff. Now I can go take the shocks out and put nice ones in, you know. Everything pretty. So here we are. All right. Let's see what happens. Seems to run perfectly fine. That training ground's nice. Wait a couple minutes to warm up. Everything's good. How about that? Home. Did you enjoy that? So anyway, runs great. I'm gonna shut it off because I can do that now. It's great. Look, shuts right off. I didn't mean to shut that off. Let's turn it back on. Glow plugs don't even need them. Look at this, folks. That's how it's supposed to run. Now what's this? Generator 1. Not happy. Here I am saying the generators are good. Now look, all of a sudden. Oh, it is happy. Sorry, I was low idle. A little gas, it picked right up. Alright, it's teaching me little things, you know. Show me his quirks now. Show me the quirks. Hey, look at this. Right? Remember that? I'll bet that still works. Is it? No wiring even for the lighter. No ashtray, no wiring. Nothing. Just the way I like it. It's actually got floorboards in it, which you don't usually find those still in these. Could use a little work, but that's cool. I can do it. Nice. You know what? It's missing rifle mounts. I gotta get those. Because you gotta have them. You can see obviously my window seals are crapola. Look at this one. But whatever. Fun. Now it's just the fun stuff. Right? I just gotta get it to pass inspection, which for me is like horn. Look, no horn. You know why? You gotta turn all this stuff on. Now. Works fine. Right? Or you can go blackout. No lights, no sound, except this loud diesel. Alright, part 3 of the project is now complete. We got rid of that 2-wheel drive quad, and we got a nice 4x4 quad. The Polaris, much nicer. Liquid cooled 400cc. It already comes with the paint match. Pretty close to the truck it will be going in. And I got to bring Kim today. Yay!
Oh, what fell on my head?
Raindrops are falling on my head.
Oh.
So yeah, the project continues. We're just taking a break. We took a 3-hour drive to come and get this thing. And I got a 3-hour drive home. Everything you need, storage, racks, come on, winch, multiple lights. This thing is sick. Good to go.